Today, we are talking about UI. Even the most immersive 3D games rely heavily on 2D elements to make sense of the world. We call that the user interface, or UI. Today, I'm going to show you the basics of UI logic in Unreal Engine and give you a breakdown of the main HUD for my indie game, EcoBound. There are plenty of ways to handle UI. You can buy asset packs, draw your own elements, or use the engine's built-in tools. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I have zero talent for 2D. I try to do as much as I can with a widget editor and Unreal. I know some of you guys might hate me for this, but for now I do use AI for temporary icons. Of course, when the game is complete, I will hire someone to make everything coherent and perfect, but for now this is the easiest option I have as a one-man show with not unlimited budget, time, and most of all, skills. Alright, back to how does UI work. In Unreal Engine there is a widget editor. This consists of a graph and a designer. The designer is your visual canvas. Here you use pre-made elements like borders, text, and progress bars. You arrange them using layout tools like horizontal boxes or grid panels to create the exact layout that you would like. But a pretty screen does nothing on its own. That is where the graph comes in. This is the brain behind your UI. If you want text to change color or a health bar to drop when you're taking damage, you can code that logic right here. Just look at EcoBound's main HUD. In the bottom right, you see the meters for example, health, stamina, hunger, water. And if you want that water level to drop, you can create a variable called water, and every 8 seconds I subtract a little bit from it. Then in the widget graph, I tell the 2D bar to visually update to that new number. Building UI can definitely be a puzzle sometimes, but it's that puzzle that ensures you can comfortably travel through the world of EcoBound. I hope this was helpful to learn. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.